Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. We're starting out today. My husband and I are cleaning our master bedroom. We're getting ready to go on a little vacation up to the family cabin and also have a garage sale. So we thought we'd pick up the master bedroom first. So we're gonna change our sheets here quick this morning and then get those in the wash. And I also make up the bed here quick because I want the bed made even though there aren't any sheets on it. So while we have this going, thanks for hopping on the channel. I'm Heidi. I live here in Minnesota with my husband Chad. We have 3 kids and our crazy pup Reggie. And we started our channel just to do some cleaning motivation, some DIY projects. I love crafting and my husband does woodwork stuff, and he also is kind of a handyman in terms of renovation. So through our channel we're gonna do home house renovations and kind of walk you through some of the major renovations that we've done in our house here already, and that'll be coming up in one of our additional videos as we do a little bit of a house tour. The other thing we're going to do here this morning is kind of do some deep dusting and cleaning of the bedroom. So it feels like it's been a couple of months, but we haven't gone through and really dusted off our side tables, our dressers, all of the woodwork in the bedroom, and it's just time, and it was definitely needed. So right here all I'm doing is just getting the end table dusted. I use the Jaws products. I'm sure a lot of you use those as well. I just love them. One thing I desperately need to do with these side tables is go through and declutter and organize everything in them, because they become kind of like a catch-all for anything that's in the bedroom. Probably do that in one of the upcoming videos as well. I keep these little acrylic containers on the nightstand just because it houses all of my like nighttime stuff, like chapstick and medicines, things like that, and I decided I'm gonna move one to my husband's side of the bed as well. Alright, so here I'm cleaning off one of our taller dressers. So raise of hands, who else has a stockpile of socks that do not have a match? And what do you do with them? Where do you put them? How long do you keep them before you just give up on the match ever showing up? also see here how dusty our dressers are. It's really bad. Just using some more Jaws wood cleaner. Getting our TV stand all cleaned up, and then my husband has to address his disaster side of the room. So whenever we do laundry, I just put his clean clothes on that chair, and they end up usually just sitting there forever until he decides it's time to put them away. But today I think we went through it and made sure he got them put away. Also, who has a TV in their room and then you like never ever watch it? That is the story of ours. Here's my little makeup vanity. This thing gets used quite a bit just as I get ready for work in the morning. And also my 7-year-old daughter loves to come in and play on it, so we have a ton of like makeup smears and all kinds of gunk that gets piled up on the vanity itself. So it was definitely time to give that a good clean as well. No judgment for the amount of makeup I have. I know I need to go through and probably cycle through a lot of that and get rid of stuff that I don't need anymore or don't use. But for now, I'm just keeping it as is. How gross is that? Anybody else use those little microfiber cloths? You can get them in like a pack of 500 from Amazon. They are disposable, but they're also reusable as well, so you can wash them up to like 50 times or something before you have to get rid of them. I love those things. So my husband walked by with his mounds of clothes. So as I said earlier, Chad and I live here in Minnesota, the land of all the lakes. We've lived here our whole life. We both grew up in Minnesota. We love raising our kids here. Our families all live here. It's just a great place to be, at least in the summer months. In the winter months, it's maybe not as great. But I do want to thank you for clicking on the channel and watching the video. Like and subscribe, all of that good stuff, because we love to have you part of our YouTube family here as we get our channel launched. So now I'm just cleaning my husband's side of the room, which was even worse than my side because he just lets everything get piled up until I can't handle it anymore. Probably went through 7 to 10 microfiber cloths in this cleaning session. So a little bit about Chad and I. We, outside of living in Minnesota our whole life, we have 3 kids, Dane, Bennett, and Ella. Dane is 14, Bennett is going to be 12 in October, and then Ella is 7. We both work remotely from home for a large healthcare organization, and just love spending time at home with our family and friends. We love going up to my in-laws' cabin and going on vacations. And then in our spare time, we love homemaking things. We love DIY, we love crafting, we love renovations, and also all of the cleaning motivation. So after I get Chad's side dusted well here, I'm going to go and finish with vacuuming up our bedroom. And then I'll probably do it for this cleaning session. At least we got all of the major pieces in the bedroom cleaned, and we're ready to go on vacation from that standpoint. Again, thanks for watching with us. Like and subscribe. We're going to try and do videos every week as much as we can. And thanks so much for being here.